Are you using GoHighLevel and you're running ads and you want to send back correct information and events to Meta using the CAPI API in GoHighLevel's workflows? I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this for the schedule event and the lead event, especially when you are qualifying the leads. My name is Gavin Wiener and I'm a top-rated freelancer. I've been helping businesses in the online coaching space, info product space, and other agencies with their sales funnels, their automations, and also their running their paid media. You can see here, this is our first workflow. This is focused on pushing back the lead event to Meta using the CAPI API. The trigger, simple, form submitted. This is our qualification form. In the qualification form, we have a couple of questions. The way I did this is I broke it down step by step. So I first check if they're financially qualified, which I'll show you. Then I check if they have certain other criteria, and then I check the last criteria. And only if they've met all the criteria, then we send the lead event. You can see here the lead event's really simple. I just add the meta conversion API event, user integration, funnel event. I saved the token and the data set ID as a custom value because I use this in multiple workflows, so it's easier. And then I'm just sending back the event name, super easy. The conditions, obviously this will depend on what questions you're asking in your initial form, but to show you what that can look like, you just say this. So whatever the question is on the form, because obviously it saves as a custom field on the contact. And in this case, we're just looking for it not to be a given event. There's only one specific qualifier. So it's not less than 20K, then this is potentially a qualified lead. So we're only sending back qualified lead information. We're not sending back a lead event for everyone, only for qualified leads. If you only had one question which qualified people, it's like, are you this or are you that? Then you just choose the is X one, for example. The schedule event is even simpler. It's just the trigger is the appointment being booked. Then we add a tag because this helps us with other things. And then we send the event back to Meta API. And it's just as simple as the first one. The only difference is the event name is schedule now instead of lead. So if you want help setting up these workflows so you can correctly push back your Meta API, or you are looking for help with your sales funnels, your automations, and managing your ads, you can find a link in the description and book a time with me.